Tonight we're taking a hike, but not through the kind of forest you might expect. Instead of trees and starlight, this trail winds through light, sound, and glowing installations. This is Astra Lumina in Seattle, an illuminated night walk that promises a journey through the cosmos. But the real question is it actually worth experiencing? Let's find out. So guess what?
What's up?
You know how I told you I got you an experience for Valentine's Day?
Yeah?
Well, guess what it is?
It's Astra Lumina.
What the hell is Astra Lumina?
It's a light show with like music synchronized to it. It's kind of trippy.
Oh,
Ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready for some fun?
Let's do it.
Some trippy fun. So that was our journey through Astra Lumina. It's not your typical walk through the forest, but that's kind of the point. It turns a simple trail walking through nature into something a little more cosmic. Overall, Astra Lumina was a really beautiful experience. Once you're admitted, you can stay as long as you'd like. We'd arrived around 7 p.m. and were able to explore until closing at 9. That said, at around $40 per person, it's probably not something we'd personally pay to do again. Still, we're glad we came. The installations are genuinely beautiful, and on a calm night like this, with no rain, wind, or freezing temperatures, it made for a really enjoyable walk. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next week.